Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make a 3D running ball in Buildbox. First you need to do is click this button, create new, and then click the new 3D game. Okay, there is two code here. You just need to double click the 3D world. Get here, this is the grass and there is a cube. First you need to click the ground and change the grass into no texture or no ground. And then you click the cube and then change the scale. You need to click the scale tool, and then drag the green until it's flat. Okay, like maybe 0.05 or 0.01. Okay, 0.01. And then click the move tool up here and then move it change the position. The Y is 0.01, and then go to scale tool again and click and drag the blue drag until it's 3.9 maybe, or 4. Okay, it's 4. And then you drag the red to 2. The X is 2. Okay, now you need to add the asset. Click the asset library up here, and then you need to add cube, the spare again, and point. Okay, that is the asset. You can add the others later if you want. Okay, select the move tool again. The first one, we add the spare. So the first pair, you drag this to the character. Okay, change the collision group into character, and then the physics into kinematic. Okay, then you change the scale, the player scale. The first you need to change the name into player or whatever you like. Okay, like this, change it to player, change the position into 0, x0, z0, and change the scale into 0.3, and 0.3. Okay, this is enough, and change the y into 0.3. So the position is 0, y 0.3, and z 0, x 0.3, y 0.3, and z 0.3. Okay, the next one. Okay, you can click the start button and press D for duplicate. Name it 1 or P1 anything you like. Delete the ball, and then wait, you need to change this cube into enemy. Okay, then change the collision group into enemy, and change this ground into platform. Okay, so you drag the enemy here, change the X to 0, Y 0, and then the scale is 0.5 maybe. Oh no, wait, 0.3. This is 1 and 0.3. Still too big. 0.2. Okay, the scale is 0.2, 1 and 0.2. The Y in position place is 1. Okay, like this. Now we can change the camera position when we play the game, like this. Okay, now like this. Okay, to change the direction you can use scroll button and the right click button, like this. Okay, now we can add diamond here. Change the scale into 0.3 and 0.3. Okay, the X position is 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Y is 0.3 and Z is 0. Okay, like this, and then click D to duplicate and change it, put the position into minus 0.9, like this. Okay, and duplicate again and change it into 1.8 maybe. Yes, 1.8, and duplicate again and change into minus 1.8. Okay, like this, and then you can click the P1 button to duplicate. Okay, change the 1 into 2, so P2, and then delete this diamond and this diamond. Okay, now we duplicate the enemy, change the X position into 0.9 and duplicate again, change into minus 0.9. Okay, like this. You can add as many level if you want. You can add it into 6, maybe, or 5, up to you. Okay, so just add level to level 2, and then we code the player. Wait, change the diamond in here. Okay, click diamond and change the collision group into coin. Player into character, change the other spare into debris. Okay, this is for debris explosion code. Okay, check it again. make sure all of it is right. Change the ground into okay, change the ground into static, and change the enemy into static too. Diamond collision group is static. Okay, now we go to player. The first code you need to do is add move, like this. Okay, you need to drag it here and you connect it, the created and enabled. So click the move, and if you want to move your ball, you need to change 0 into none, so delete the 0 and change the Z speed into -10, so it make the ball move like this. Okay, you click the camera, change the position follow into character. Okay, that makes the camera follow your character like this. Okay, go to the code. You need to search keyboard move or keyboard button, drag it here and then duplicate the move and then unconnect the string. Okay, move it here and here. So the keyboard button, change the unassigned into maybe A. If pressed, move, change the -10 into none and change X into -5. Okay, if left, you need to change X into -5 and duplicate the keyboard button again and move the string into the second move, change A into D and then change move, delete the Z1 and the X into if right, you need to positive, like 5 or 10. I choose 5. Okay, so we check again like this. Okay, the ball can move right and left now to collect the coin like this. Okay, now we can add trail here and then just connect to created. Okay, you can add texture, any texture you want. Maybe I choose alpha non pre-multiplied. So the trail like this. Okay, you can change the color, maybe like red or maybe gray. Okay, like this. This is the gray trail. So cool, right? Okay, now we can add the game over. The first one you need to do is defeat. Add defeat if collide debris explosion, delay, and the last is event. Okay, the first one is if collide. Connect it to created, click the if collide, affected asset character. Okay, now if collide with enemy, okay, change the affected asset into enemy. If collide enemy, then collide, connect it into delay 1 second, and then out to game over. And then you can add debris explosion, click the debris, and asset is the debris or the second spare. Okay, if done, defeat. So I will check it. Okay, if touching the enemy, the ball will explode, and then it will make game over or stop all your game like this. Okay, maybe that's all for the player. Now we can code the enemy, start 3D model, and then if you want you can set color into maybe red, connect it into created, change the color into red. Okay, so like this is the red. If you touch it, it will explode. Okay, then the platform 2 or the ground, set color to. Okay, now change the color into black, so the game will be like this. Okay, now we can create it. You add UI screen, double UI screen. You can just drag from here or duplicate it. Okay, now we connected UI screen. First you need to edit first. This is the first UI screen. You need to add like event observer, event type game over. You can place it anywhere but in the box here, maybe here or here. I place it in the middle. Okay, now you can add the default font here, right here. Right here. Okay, change the function into score, word all, score type point, amount is the current best total, the total. Okay, so you can check it. Before you check it, you can connect the UI to load right here. Okay, see, there is a 0 on here. If you gain point, the number will add 1 or 2. Okay, oh, I forgot, the player, you need to add the position limiter. Okay, the limit of the position is in the ground. The ground is the x is 2, so the player is 2. Like this. Limiter, this is none, and max is, you just need the x1 is maybe 1.8, like this. So if your player is the coordinate is x 1.8, you cannot go anywhere else. Duplicate it and then change the 1.8 into minus 1.8, like this. You can't go anywhere. Wait, this is minus 1.8 and this is 1.8. This is delayed. Okay, I try again. Okay, wait. Okay, and the next one is okay. So the min is minus 1.8 and the max is 1.8. Okay, go back to the UI screen. No server. Okay, done. And done. Okay, now the event observer, event type function, subject point, game over, session point. Okay, game over. Event observer. This is UI game screen and this is the game over UI screen. Okay, you can name it here. Okay, like this. This is event observer, event type game over, function default. Okay, now we got the game over. You can add a button retry and game over image. So for the retry button, you can download it from Google. Okay, retry image, drag it into the navigation button and then the game over into image button. Okay, so you can position it like this and this. Okay, and the retry button here. Here. Okay, this is enough. The retry navigation button. The function is for restart. Okay, now I will add the default font again. Double. Here is for your score amount is best, and the second one is for the current total you add. Okay, now go to main and load it. Okay, now I'll try the game like this. I point and then when you explode it will game over. The best is 3 and the current is 3 try it again. 5, 6. Okay, 12, 13, 14, and oh, I explode again. So the best is 11 and the current is 11. Okay, that is the simple 3D running ball game. Thank you for watching. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.